What's up, everybody? This is Eric from Easy Computer Solutions. So I got a requested video here of audio. I got the LG G6, the LG G7, and I got the new kid on the block, the LG G8. Now we know that the LG G7 and the LG G8 has a resonance chamber where you put it on a flat surface. The audio sound very good. My LG G7 is very good. Well, the LG G6 is in the mix, so we can see how different generations have aged. Is the LG G8 better than the LG G7? Let's put the audio files to the test and see which one is King Supreme. So sit back and relax and get your popcorn ready and follow me on this journey. Let's go. What's up, guys? This is Eric back with another video. So I have a non-copyright song queued up. I got the LG G6, got the LG G7, and I got the new kid on the block, the LG G8. All right, so let's go on and listen to the audio files. I got a non-copyright song queued up, and let's see which one is King Supreme. So we're gonna go with the LG G6 first. Boom. All right, volume all the way up. All right, so that is the LG G6. Let's go with the LG G7. Woo! Wow. All right, so all right, so the LG G7 definitely sounds better than the LG G6, and it sounds very good. All right, let's go with the new kid on the block, the LG G8. Wow. All right, so look, check this out, right? From my vantage point, the LG G7 sounds way better than the LG G8. So let's see. Ooh, it sounds way better. Wow. Okay. Wow. Wait a minute. Let me make sure the volume is all the way up. All right, so the volume is all the way up here on the device. Okay, so before we finish here, let me go to the settings here, guys, and make sure that they don't have any type of sound enhancement or anything that I have off. Let's go to sound, and let's make sure, let's see, sound profile. Just want to make sure I give the LG G8 the benefit of the doubt. I'm quite sure you guys will hit me in the comments, say, oh, you got to click on this, you got to click on that. Sound effects. All right, so that's going to be for the headphones. All right, that's not going to be for the external speaker. All right, and we just got it on normal. I don't want to mess with anything there. I just want to hear the volume of it. Let's see, sound, that's sound notification, and wow. Okay, so let's go down and hear it again. Okay. Woo! All right, so the LG G7, wow, like all my hand is vibrating right now from the LG G7. Sound way better than the LG G8 here. I mean, don't get me wrong, the LG-G8 sound good, but the LG-G7 sound way better. Wow. Okay, so there it is. There it is. So in this test right here, the LG-G7 is much better than the LG-G8. The sound quality sound better. The LG-G8 for some strange reason kind of muffled a little bit. The LG-G6 sound good. At its time, it sounds good, but gee whiz, listening to this audio test, kind of remind me a little step up from the LG-G6 going to the LG-G8 when it comes down to sound quality. It just sound muffled. It's like it got water in the chamber or something. Maybe a software update will fix that. Okay, well, there it is. This is Eric from Easy Computer Solutions. I wanted to give you guys a audio video on the LG-G6, the LG-G7, and now the LG-G8. See you guys on the next video. Man, I mean, look how it sound like. That sound good. I'm rocking. LG-G7 all the way in this competition, y'all. Peace. Oh, that sounds good.